Hello friends, we are going to discuss about the range function in Python. Before start discussing about the loop, it is very essential to discuss about this range function because this is used in the for loop. So this is the built-in function. It used to generate the list of sequences, like list of integers. To take 1, 2 or 3 parameters. The first parameter is mandatory. Remaining 2 parameters are optional. Here, the general form is given. So, range function will take the beginning, end and the step. So, the begin, end, step are the 3 parameter. The begin, the first beginning number in the sequence at which the list starts. End with the last number in the sequence. Step difference between the each number in the sequence. This function generates a list of sequence. That means a list of integer. You will see some examples and we are going to discuss the range of input and range of output by taking a sample. Here I am giving range of 1, 5. The beginning is 1, end is 5. So the range generates a list which contain 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the elements. Beginning to end minus 1. Always range generate beginning to end minus 1. Here I am giving 122. So the range starts from 1, ends at 20, difference is 2. The last one is the step, difference is 2. So it generate a list 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So end minus 1 is 19. This stops here. Here the difference between the numbers are 2. The previous one, if we don't give any value for the step, that means the third parameter, the default difference is 1. Next, range of 5. If I am giving only one number, the list is generated from 0 to the number minus 1. So this is a list which contains elements 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, range of 5 is the beginning, 0 is the end and the difference is minus 1. It generate 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the 0. So the previous number of 0 is 1. This stops here. Now I am giving 5, 0, minus 2. The beginning is 5, end is 0, difference is minus 2. I am having a list 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So it stops at 1 because the last number is 0. Here range 1, 10, 2 will generate a sequence, difference is 2, beginning is 1, last is 9, n minus 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is my list. Here I am giving the beginning is 4, end is minus 4. So generate from the list, it generate a list from minus 4 to 3. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because last is 4, so list stops at n minus 1, that is 3. Here minus 4 to plus 4, difference is 2. So now the difference between the number are 2. Minus 4 and 2, 0 and 2. So the difference between the numbers are 2. It stops at 2 because if you add another 2, it will reach the last list stops at the end minus 1. So here if you add another 2, it will be 4. This is the last number. So last number is not generated. So it stops at 2. Here range of 0, 1, it generate a list which contain only the beginning number 0. If you give the same number in the beginning and end, I am getting an empty list. If I am giving range of 0, I am also getting an empty list. So we have discussed about the range function, syntax and some examples. So this function is very essential. This function is used in the for loop. So it is very essential to understand the range function. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.